Most modern cars today use something called direct fuel injection. It makes engines more powerful, more efficient, and cleaner. But here's the strange part. The same technology that improves performance is also responsible for one of the biggest engine problems today, carbon buildup. So how does direct fuel injection actually work, and why do almost all modern engines use it? Direct fuel injection, often called GDI, gasoline direct injection, is a fuel delivery system where fuel is sprayed directly inside the combustion chamber of the engine cylinder. Unlike older engines that spray fuel into the intake port, direct injection places the fuel right where combustion happens. This allows the engine to control fuel delivery more precisely, which improves both power and fuel efficiency. To understand how direct injection works, we need to follow the fuel journey inside the engine. First, fuel leaves the fuel tank and is pumped toward the engine. Then a high-pressure fuel pump compresses the fuel to extremely high pressure, sometimes over 2000 psi. Next, the fuel travels through a fuel rail to the injectors. Finally, the injector sprays a very fine mist of fuel directly into the combustion chamber, where it mixes with air and ignites. Because this injection happens inside the cylinder, the engine computer can control exactly when and how much fuel enters the chamber. This precision is what makes direct injection so efficient. There are several reasons why car manufacturers love direct injection. First is better fuel efficiency. Since fuel is injected directly into the cylinder, the engine wastes less fuel. Second is more engine power. Direct injection allows engines to run higher compression ratios, producing more horsepower. Third is better emissions control. More precise fuel delivery helps reduce harmful exhaust gases. And finally, direct injection works perfectly with turbocharged engines, which is why most modern turbo engines use this system. But direct fuel injection isn't perfect. One of the biggest problems is carbon buildup on intake valves. In older port injection engines, fuel would spray over the intake valves and clean them naturally. But in direct injection engines, fuel goes straight into the cylinder, meaning the intake valves never get washed by fuel. Over time, oil vapors from the PCV system stick to the valves and form thick carbon deposits. This can cause rough idle, reduced performance, engine misfires, and sometimes it requires expensive carbon cleaning services. So if direct injection has problems, why do manufacturers still use it? The answer is simple. Modern engines must meet strict fuel economy and emissions regulations. Direct injection helps engines produce more power from smaller engines, while still saving fuel. This is why many cars today use small turbocharged engines combined with direct injection. Some manufacturers even combine port injection and direct injection together to get the best of both systems. Direct fuel injection is one of the biggest technologies shaping modern engines. It improves power, efficiency, and emissions, which is why nearly every modern car uses it. But like any technology, it also comes with challenges like carbon buildup and higher maintenance costs. Understanding how it works helps you better maintain your car and avoid costly engine problems. And as engine technology continues to evolve, direct injection will likely remain a key part of modern vehicles. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about how your car works, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations about modern car technology.